In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a favorite stations list on GasBuddy. Whether you're commuting to work, planning a road trip, or just want to keep track of the best prices in your area, having a list of your favorite gas stations can be incredibly handy. So, let's dive in and make sure you have all your preferred stations saved for quick access. First, you'll need to open the GasBuddy website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, you can find the Sign In option at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're logged in, you're all set to begin. Next, look for your profile icon, which is located at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says My Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your GasBuddy profile. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Favorited Stations. This is where you can manage your lists of favorite gas stations. Click on View Favorites Lists to open up the current lists you have. If you haven't created any lists yet, don't worry, we're about to change that. To add a new list, click on the button that says Add a New List. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your list. Consider naming it something that makes it easy to identify, like Home for your neighborhood stations, Work for those near your office, Road Trip for the ones along your travel route, or simply Favorite Gas Stations. Choose a name that best fits your needs and makes it easy to find later on. After you've entered the name, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or an option to confirm your new list. This will ensure that your list is stored and ready for you to start adding stations to it whenever you find ones you like. And just like that, you've successfully created a favorite stations list on GasBuddy. It's a simple process that can save you time and money by keeping your go-to gas stations just a click away. Feel free to create multiple lists for different occasions or locations and enjoy the convenience of having your favorite stations organized at your fingertips. That's how to create a favorite stations list on GasBuddy. Thanks for watching and happy saving.